Oh no. Not you. Yeah. It's me. Yang. The Yang you stole the rice cakes from. I told you I would ambush you. I know, but I am scared. Oh come on. Really? No. Now let's fight. Wait. What? Okay, now I'm ready. Stick of awesomeness. Attack. No. No stick of awesomeness. I will give you your rice cakes back. Please don't kill me. I take back what I said at the dojo. Please, I will give the rice cakes back. Okay. But I might kill you anyways. You never know.